Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Flex. First, carefully unbox your new Ledger Flex device and confirm that all included components are present. Next, connect the Ledger Flex to your computer using the provided USB cable. This will power on the device. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the Ledger Live application, which is essential for managing your crypto assets. Now let's initialize your device. On your Ledger Flex screen, select the option to set up as new device. You will then be prompted to choose a strong, unique PIN code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits long. Most importantly, carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase in the exact order it appears. This phrase is your ultimate backup. With your device initialized, it's time to connect to Ledger Live. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer and connect your Ledger Flex. Unlock your device using the PIN code you just set. Once connected, you can easily add accounts for your desired cryptocurrencies within Ledger Live. This allows you to manage your digital assets securely and efficiently. To ensure the ongoing security of your assets, always keep your 24-word recovery phrase in a secure, private location, never sharing it with anyone. Regularly update both your Ledger Flex firmware and the Ledger Live software to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Also, remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Staying updated and secure is key to protecting your digital wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.